Hello everybody, welcome to Buck Does It. Today I got a little job to do. There's supposed to be a shelf in here I got put together. I don't know what it looks like, I never saw a picture. So let's do an unboxing, an inventory slash. Well, these aren't too bad. See it? Okay. These are just a slippity-doo-dah, slip them together. There's the clips to hold them together. Wheels through time. Alrighty then. I better find the destructions so I get it right the first time. Okay, should be enough there, enough room there, and there we go. So I'm gonna read through these instructions here and make sure I get it right the first time, and I'll be back with you. Well, there are no instructions. I gotta hit the QR code and watch a little video. And guess what? Uh-oh, something went wrong on our end. No video. Oh, this isn't too bad. There's threads there. Thread these in here. Right? And then these two just thread together this way. Alright, we'll try to get the bottom one. This is top. So there's a little ring down inside here. I'll hook to the ring there. Snap. And it just slides right down over the top and locks it in. I'll do the same thing to that one, and that one, and then we'll stand it up and do the rest. Alright, I'm going to just get a little rubber mallet here, and so I can sort of set it and forget it. See, that one's popping up out of there. Still haven't got the video. I'm on my own. Alright, what I'm going to do here is put all the shelves in there, and then I'll adjust them as I need them later. But I want to put the top one on to sort of keep everything together. So we'll clip this last one on here, and we can as long as it don't screw up while I'm on camera. Cool. There's that one. So that will be the top, and then I can put these where I want it. Bring it up, put the clip on, and then put them down. And then I can just, that should lock everything in place, keep everything solid. All right, just a little bit of review. That's pretty solid. Has locking wheels. You can roll it around, or you can, they give you this feet that you can put on there, so it'd be stationary. You don't need to be rolling it around, but we want the rolling around option. And then these here, just make sure you grab the top, put the top where the top belongs, drop that one, and then it just pops in there, and you slide it down over, and she stays pretty solid. Nice shelf, I like it. right, one final look. Got the shelves in. You know, left them in loose for now, so I can adjust them where I want them. Whether I want to go up or down, it's easy. Just pop them up and move the clips, and we're back down. See, I got this one off here, so I have to fix that. Cool beans. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. And be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.